dots, says exit only. But Tyson's is another exit in this lane, up ahead. Yep, so give me a little boost. So that's the Falls Church only. And see how that car in front of us came over? Because they're going to Tyson's Corner also. So see how there's two arrows? The yellow, that's the right lane, going to Falls Church.
Yes.
We're going to Tyson's, we're the white arrow. So leave, right signal, there you go. Right there. Now, we're going to see, this is where it separates the two ways. So we're staying in this lane. Now, as you go under the bridge, it does a clover leaf. Just keep moving, and you'll see all the cars start going around. And there's your ramp speed, 20. So slow down to 20. See the yellow sign with the black arrow? So that's your ramp speed. Now you're going to keep the right side of the car by the white line on my side. That keeps you from running off the road. If there was a railing there, it would keep you from hitting the railing. So look at my white line. Stay on my side. There you go. Good. Good. So you always keep the right side of the car by this line. They keep you from going into that wall. Okay. Keep moving. So there must be a lane. Yep. So keep moving. Stay by the white line on my side. Now start giving me a little power. Now put on your left signal, look over your shoulder, and keep accelerating. There you go. Now we'll just stay in this lane. So you're out of the merge lane. You still have the need for speed lane for those people who want a little electric. Whoa, look at that pedestrian. Ran right through the traffic. So you're not only protecting people in the car, you're protecting people from themselves outside of the car. Because a lot of people do risky stuff. Very good. And there's your speed limit over there on the right. So, see how those signs blend with the buildings? They're not easily seen. But now your speed's 35. And remember, typically your speed signs are after all your merge areas, and that's where they put the speed sign.